This is Samuel Sullivan Snail reporting from the town of Meh, formerly known as Sheepy, Weepy, Wimpy Wimpy, now called the town of Meh. I am here broadcasting the news from the town hall. And do we have some very exciting news for you today? I am getting information from our on-site reporter, Skunkle Dunkle, as she relays what's happening at the big barn of the Garumpha Tumph. Last we heard, people had gone to the ghost host with the most to have some toast as they were getting tired of waiting outside in the field by the big barn. But some people and talking animals stayed behind. And then everybody heard a big noise, and the words of the Garumphatump saying something about seeing a wing. Skunkle Dunkle has just sent an update that it was not the Garumphatump who said wing. It was actually Dr. Farquhar, but more exciting news now. As we've heard, we think it was Wiggle Smiley, saying that there was another wing appearing. So we're assuming, Skunkle Dunkle says, what she says is that we assume the egg is cracking or has completely cracked, and whatever was in it, if it really was a dinosaur, has hatched. And now Skunkle Dunkle tells me everyone, pretty much everyone from Sheepy, Weepy, Wimpy, Wompy, now called Meh, has gathered back at the field, and many of them have started clapping. I guess Smiley Wiggle came out of the barn, which they kept locked from everyone for safety reasons. What's that, Skunkle Dunkle? Smiley Wiggle is now outside the barn and is telling people that the dinosaur has hatched. Okay. Skunkle Dunkle says also in the background, because the door to the barn was open, they could hear the Garumphatump saying something about maybe giving the creature, I guess a baby dinosaur of some sort, a name. What's that? Terry. He said Terry, I think. Okay. And I think she said now, Dr. Farquhar said, but we can't tell if it's a boy or a girl. We'll have to call a paleontologist. And the Garumphatump asked important questions, saying, why would you want a pale person to come to decide if it was a boy or a girl. Odd question from the Garumph-a-Tumph indeed. Anyways, we're not sure yet, Skunkle Dunkle says, of what kind of dinosaur it is, but apparently it has wings. So Skunkle Dunkle thinks it might be a flying dinosaur, but that is not confirmed. I see. So Smiley Wiggle has gone back in to the barn. It sounds like it's locked again. But what's all that noise, Skunkle Dunkle? She says it sounds like a rushing mighty wind inside the barn. Almost like a helicopter, but not as loud. That's very interesting. That does make one wonder what kind of flying dinosaur may now be part of Sheepy, Weepy, Wimpy, Wompy, now called the town of Meh. I wonder if it will be able to talk like the rest of the talking animals at Sheepy, Weepy, Wimpy, Wompy. What's that, Skunkle Dunkle? Yes, now called Meh. And Skunkle Dunkle says we'll have to wait and see. There is more important news to come by the end of the day. That sounds delightful and very exciting. We will sign off now and get back to you with an update when we have more exciting news. I hope your day is as exciting as the day that is happening in the town of Meh, formerly called Sheepy, Weepy, Wimpy, Wompy. I myself am so extremely excited, I'm going to go have a nice glass of iced tea. This is Samuel Sullivan Snail, Sully for short, signing off. Enjoy your exciting day. I sure will enjoy mine.